Oh, hello. Oh, wow. What's the matter? You're not homeless, are you? You are? Well, I could sort that out for you, I'm sure. Would you like a home? Okay, I'll build you a home. So I need to get some bedding for the hedgehog home. And as it happens, I need to do a bit of trimming in here. So I'm going to make some hedgehog bedding. You might be wondering why I'm doing this. The reason is that this is an area of, I suppose what you could call it technically, an overgrown lawn. And I've found from experience that although it's in its 5th season now and it's improving, if I let the vigorous grasses get too tall, they then flop over and smother the sward. So they're already seeing improvements from previous years on that score. But it's good to just come in here and trim that out, take some of the height out of it with the vigorous grasses, and then that helps to prevent it flopping down. As you can see, it's very light touch. There, I think I've got enough now for the hedgehogs. So what I need to do is just lay this out now. I think I've got all the elements I need for my hedgehog home. So I've got myself a plastic box. This was actually something I used to feed hedgehogs from in my old house, but all I managed to do here was attract rats. So I had to stop doing that. We don't actually have that many hedgehogs here, unfortunately. So I hope that this will help them. So I'm going to take this box down to this area now that I've prepared. This is a very quiet area of the garden. And then I need to grab my bedding. So I've got 2 lots of bedding. I've got some dried leaves, and here's the meadow cuttings that I made earlier. Let's pop this in the box with the other lot. They can be mixed up. The hedgehog's likely to bring in its own bedding too, but this gives it a good starting point. We've put in the bedding and we've got our home. Now what we need to do is add a tunnel. It's not essential to have a tunnel, but it does help to stop predators being able to get into the box while the hedgehog is at home. So now we have our home complete with bedding and a tunnel. I'm going to finish off the tunnel with this old roof tile. The finishing touches. I'm going to put a waterproof cover over the top. This is a piece of pond liner left over from when we made the pond. Pop this on top of the box next to an existing compost heap, so it'll blend in really nicely. Let the hedgehogs appreciate the hard work and make some use of it.